It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to remove any complex background video from this to something like this and totally change the background color of any video using online tool. A step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell so each time I post valuable content about online tools like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to come to your address bar right here and type in media.io. Okay, then press enter. Then take you to this particular website. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on sign up for free. Alright, so you have about 4 different options to log in or to create a free account with this particular website. You can use your Google, you can use Facebook, you can use Twitter, you can use your Apple account. But I'm going to use Facebook account, so I'm going to click on Facebook. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to enter my Facebook username and password. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on continue as Rafi. Then enter your email address again. Then click on next. Then enter your login password again. Then click on connect and create account. Then enter your verification code. Then click on verify code. So an account has been successfully created, just like what you see right here. Okay. Welcome back, friends. So after creating a free account with media.io, the next thing we want to do is to see how we can remove our video background using their AI tool. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you scroll down and then you have to navigate to video right here. Click on video. Then bring out this. Then next thing you want to do is to scroll down. Click on video background remover right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on remove background now. Then at this point here, there are things you need to take into consideration before you can upload your video file on this particular website to remove the background. One of the first things you need to take into consideration is that your video file must be MP4 or MOV file format, because these are the 2 file formats they support on this site. And also your file size must not be exceed 50 MB if you are using the free version. Is to click on upload video. And I'm going to use this video right here. Now click on open. So you can see the background of this video has been removed perfectly. Then another thing we can do right here, we can add a custom color, such as we can click on here to add a color. So when we click on the color that we want to use, it's going to automatically update in the background of the video as a new background. So just like what you see right here. So if you want to change to another color, we can click on this one right here and change to another color. So you can see it right here. Then one more thing, we can apply gradients. Then we can click on more gradient right here to see more gradient effects. So we can pick on any one and it will automatically take place in the background of the video, just like what you see right here. So if you don't like that one, we can click on here to go back and select on the first one right here. So if we satisfy with any of the background right here, what we can do is to go to the download at the top right here and download the file. Okay, come to the top right here, we click on images. If we would like to apply background images such as something like this, you can see or a studio background like this. Okay, then let's quickly go back to color. So I would like to change this color, so I'm going to click on more right here. So I'm going to change this color to black like this, or better still, I'm going to change to this color. No, I'm changing to this color. Okay, now once you're satisfied with the color, then next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on download. Then right here you can change the file name, you can change it to another color, another file name, so new color. Then we click on download right here, then click on full download. Alright, so successful download. Then we can come to the top right here. You can see the download folder is prepared right here. So successfully download. After a successful download, we can click on open folder. So we have the file right here.